Good morning, class 1. Hope class 1 you all are fine. So, class 1, we have completed up to chapter 4. Okay, you see, we have completed chapter 4. So, you see, children, we have 7 chapters. Okay, we have total how many chapters in our book? We have 7 chapters. So, you see, 4 chapters already completed. So, we are left with left with 3 chapter left. Okay, children, so you see now from 7 chapters your 3 chapters are left now. So what we are going to do, up to chapter 4 completed, I'll give you chapter 4 question answer and all. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to do revision for chapter 1, children. Okay, children, many students maybe they have joined late. Okay, so now they can get all the chapters once more back. So you see now today what I'm going to do, today I'm going to start revision for chapter 1. Okay, I'm not going to start chapter 5 because already we have completed 4th chapter and we have only 7 chapters in our book. So 4th chapter completed, so we are left with 3 chapters only. Okay, so now what I am going to do, so I came back again in chapter 1, so I am going to revise. Okay, so revision of chapter 1 I am going to do. Okay, children, so those who were not present at the beginning, so now those students can do it, and all the students once more you can revise and get all the studies completed within a given time. Okay, so you will get once more to learn about computers of all the chapters. So it is very interesting. Okay, children, so let's begin the revision of chapter 1. So in chapter 1 what we have learned, children? In chapter 1 we have learned that computer, okay, we have learned in chapter 1 that computer are machine. Okay, this was a name of your chapter. Okay, computer are machine. I said you. Now you all have learned up to chapter 4, so you know so many things about computer. Okay, so you see, computer itself is a machine. I said why? You have learned already. See, again I am going to repeat as a revision. So computer is a machine. Why? Because it cannot run by itself. It requires the support of electricity, or it required the support of people. Okay, and you see, like you're at home, your televisions, your washing machine, fan, okay, everything require electricity to run. Same way computer also require an electricity to run. Without electricity, can you operate a computer? No, you cannot operate the computer without electricity. Okay, so that is why it is called what? It is called a machine. It is a very simple machines. Okay, now, and the other thing that we have learned in chapter 1, that is about your natural things. See, children, we have learned about natural things. Okay, see, in chapter 1, before we go to the complete chapter, we have learned what? Natural things. So what is natural things? Okay, natural things that are not made by your human beings. Okay, so you see, man, that is human being, has not made those things, are called what? Natural things. Okay, give one example. Suppose bird. Okay, birds are natural things. Okay, water is a natural thing. Trees are natural things. Okay, so you see, whatever we see in the nature which are not made by human, they are called what? Natural things. Okay, so birds, flowers, okay, different types of fruits you're buying, vegetables you're buying, okay, animals are there, they are called what? They are called natural thing. They are called. So you see, we can see so many. See, apple, okay, dog, cat. So everything which are not made by a man, they are called what? They are called natural things. So you see, birds, it cannot be made by the man. Water, it cannot be made by the man. Trees, apples cannot be made. Dogs cannot be made. Cat, it cannot be made by the man. That's why they are what they are called. They are called natural things. Okay, they are natural things. So natural things are those which cannot be made by the human beings. They are what? They are given by the nature, and they are called what? Natural things. Okay, children. Next is about human made thing. Now we are going to see about human made things. Human made things. Now you see, human made things are those which are made by human beings, which are not given by the nature. Okay, for example, car, book you are reading, pen, chair, table. Okay, so everything that you look in front of you, most of the things, they are made by the man. They are man-made things. Okay, so you see, blackboard, this chalk, this duster. Okay, now you see the book. These all are man-made things. They are not given by the nature. So you see, car is a human-made things. Okay, this is not given by the nature. Book cannot be given by the nature. It is a human-made thing. Pen, chair, table. Okay, so many things that we use in our home, they all are what? They all are our human-made things or man-made things. Okay, so they are not natural things. They are not given by the nature. They are made by the human. So human-made things are those which are made by the human being. Human being means man. Okay, human beings. We all are human beings. It is made by us. Okay, children. So you see in your book also you can see blackboard, books, pencil, chair, duster, decks. Okay, these all are mentions. Did you understood? So natural things which are given by the nature and are not made by the human being, and human made things, these are not given by the nature, they are made by the man. Okay, now we are going to talk about, next is your machines. Okay, now we are going to talk about machines. Okay, see, in machines also, like, so many things. The machines are also made by the human beings. Okay, machines are also not natural things which is given by the nature. Now you see, car, fridge, you're looking, television in your home. Okay, and so many music system. So you see, these all are machines. Okay, bicycle that you're riding, that is also a machine. Okay, so you see, train, buses, all you're looking, so these all are considered to be the machine. So machine are made by humans. Human means we all are human beings. It is made by us. Machine works very fast. You see, today if you have to go anywhere, you are traveling in car, or you are going in bus, or you are going in a train, okay, or you are taking a flight. So you see, these all car, bus, train, they are all machine. And you see, when you are going, if you will walk, it will take long time. If you go in car, bus or train, you can go very quickly. Okay, why? Because machines are very fast. Machine makes our work very easy. so it makes our work very easy. If we walk and go, it may take long time, your legs may start aching is it may start paining. But if you are traveling in a car, bus or train, you will relax and you will move. Okay, you will reach to your destinations where you are supposed to go. Okay, so you see, the machine makes our life very easy. So machine help us to save the time also. You see, if you are walking and going to a certain place, it will take long time. But if you are going in car, bus and train, so you can reach very quickly. Okay, so you see, once more I am saying, machines are made by the human being. Machines are very fast. Okay, machine makes our work very easier, and machine help us to save the time. Okay children, now you see, when if you are using a bicycle, you will reach quickly. Okay, today you see, suppose you are feeling hot, if you have air conditioner or fan, okay, so if you on it, you will start feeling very relaxed, cool. So it is helping you. Okay, now many of you are going in school bus, so you can reach school in a time. So these are all machine makes our work very easier, it save our time. Okay children, now next is a computer. So you see, apart, so computer is what? Computer is also a machine. Why? Because it also require, okay, electricity to run, and it help us to do our work very easily and save our time. Okay, now you see, computers, there are different types of computers. So desktop computers are there, laptop computers, there tablets are there. Okay, the smartphone is there. So desktop computer means the computer which is on your table. Okay, they are called desktop. They are big, heavy. Okay, it work with electricity, and you can keep it on a desk, you can keep it on the table. Okay, laptop, you know, laptop very small, like a book. Okay, so laptop you can carry from one place to another. Okay, it works with the help of your battery you have to recharge, and it is working. So it is very light, it can be easily carried from one place to another. Tablets are like your cell phone. Okay, so it is in rectangle, so tablets are also like your cell phone only. Okay, so tablets also work with a touch screen. It also work with the help of battery. Next is smartphone. See, nowadays everyone is smartphone. Your parents also have smartphone. You are doing online classes with the help of smartphone. So this smartphone is also a machine. Okay, it helps you to make a call, send messages, do classes. Okay, and it also work with the help of battery. Okay, it also help with the help of it also work with the help of a battery. Okay, now you see, we are going to do, so you see, what is this all? These all are machine. So you see, desktop computer, it is a big computer which is on your desk. Okay, laptop computer, so laptop computer is very small, it can be carried from one place to another very quickly. Okay, tablet, so tablet is quite small, it's a little bit bigger than your cell phone, so in that also you can do lots of work. And smartphone is also a type of your computer only. Okay, where you can do lots of activities. Okay, now see, you are doing online classes, you are able to watch video. Okay, you are giving tests, so this is possible. Why? This smartphone is also a type of a computer. Okay, so you see, computer is also called a smart machine. Now see, why it is called a smart machine? Okay, because it never get tired. Okay, it never get tired, it works very fast. Okay, it remember many things, it can do many things at a time, it never make mistake. That is why it is called what? Smart machine. Okay, so computer, okay, computer is your smart machine. So it does all the work very properly, so without any mistake. Okay, so you see, so computer is nothing, it is a machine, but it requires electricity. Without electricity you cannot run your computer. So today we have learned, so computer is also human made machine. Okay, human made machine. and so it can do lots of work, never get tired, work very properly. Okay, so today we have done the revision of chapter 1. So you all will read, do it well, okay, and complete your work. Thank you for today.